Tub and tile refinishing is a fast and easy process of restoring an old kitchen or bathroom surface back to looking new again. How kitchen and bathroom refinishing works for property managers. We save you time. We'll turn a kitchen and a bathroom in one day. Remodel contractors takes 3 to 4 weeks. So with refinishing, you can put paying tenants in those vacancies faster. And now you don't have to shop for and choose fixtures, hire and manage construction contractors, tile layers, plumbers, etc. We'll save you money. Refinishing a kitchen and a bathroom may cost somewhere around $500 to $1,500 depending on size. In comparison, a contractor remodeling by replacement costs $15,000 to $30,000 or more depending on size and scope. There are 2 bonus benefits to refinishing over remodeling. Number 1, you might be able to charge higher rent after updating the kitchen and bathrooms because they look so new. Bonus benefit number 2, higher paying renters tend to be more discerning and care about quality. It's also common for them to rent for a longer term and take better care of their homes. This helps you by reducing your future hassles with less move-outs and lower renovation costs later. If you want to learn more or get a free quote, then please call us at 501-920-9326. Thanks for watching.